Hi, my name is Sol, and I hope everybody's doing well. Today, I want to talk about Loco Translate, which is a translating plugin, but it's not a plugin like WPML or Polylang that let you translate your content. Um, every time I have a friend who has an online shop, this is the shop. And whenever she installs a new theme, she calls me up and tells me that she needs help with the WooCommerce not showing certain things in Spanish. For example, this is not translated when she installs the default theme. This as well, and a few other things like I believe these uh, strings are not translated either. So I have to go in and install Loco Translate, which is free, on the WordPress repository, and do the translations manually. The other day, I thought that I could do the content as well, but that's not what it is. It's just for plugins to translate plugins and translate theme strings that might not have been originally translated by the developers. So what I've done right now is I've installed your site has to be in the foreign language first, and I installed this in Spanish, and then I added WPML and added a few. Well, I think I haven't added the translations. Let's add a little translation here. Okay, so I've tried WooCommerce out of the box, but it doesn't really show me it has all the strings translated. So I believe it's the themes themselves that have a need for translating what you need. So what I did was install the Slider Revolution. This is a plugin that allows you to put sliders in your site, and I'm going to put a link, an affiliate link, on the description of this video if you want to buy it. And what I'm going to see here is when I go to Slider Revolution, the backend is all in English. So if I handed this site to a Spanish speaking client, they would have trouble figuring all these things out. So let's try and find one of these. Um, let's see if we can find this new black module and translate it. I'm not 100% sure that. Oh, I haven't installed Loco Translate, so let me pause and do that, and then we'll go ahead and search for that. So I've installed Loco Translate, and you can see it here. And here you see the theme that we have and the plugins that are active. So let's see what we can do about this. Slider Revolution doesn't seem to have Spanish in there. So let's add a new language. And then start translating. And they say that you should add it to systems, not to the author, or to the author, because if you update the plugin, then it will write over your language file. So put it in the system folder. Let's start translating. And what I wanted was, I think, new module, new black module. Okay, let's put this in Latin American. All right, let's save that. And then let's go back to Slider Revolution. and there you go. It's now in Spanish. So this is basically for people who work in other languages as their main language, and Local Translate will help you with your theme strings and your um, plugging plugging strings so that you can translate them and be able to hand your client or your friend or whoever you're building the site for it completely in the in the first language that you want them to have it. So I hope that was clear, and thank you for watching.